So in the continuation with the boys not called form, boys called not normal form. It's a fourth normal form. The fourth normal form looks into non-trivial multi-valued dependencies. Okay, the multi-valued dependencies means you can see the example here. Okay, so here Aman, it depends on management, and he can also play football, cricket, volleyball, or whatever the hobby he can have. He can have the hobbies as several hobbies, listening music or singing or dancing, but he completely belongs to the management. Okay, and another one here you can see two Raj. Okay, one Raj belongs to management and his hobby is football, and another Raj belongs to medical and he plays football. So you can see that multi-valued. So Aman can have football and cricket. Okay, and similarly looking into the major B.Tech, Aditya and Abhinav. Okay, so these you can see the several values, okay, multi-values, and the dependencies might be here Aman name depends, and the major both the students belong to B.Tech, and each student belongs to different categories. Okay, such a thing is called multi-valued dependencies. You are going to look into that. Okay, you are going to look into the which are all the data has multi-valued dependencies. So this football or so the management, okay, the management, okay, completely, okay, has that student called Aman, but Aman has the hobbies as two different hobbies, football and cricket. So you can have look into these things. That is the thing we want. We have to identify which are all the fields which are multi-valued, which are having several values that depends on the particular candidate key, and you have to identify that and you have to segregate that. Okay, so you have to look into that. So which are all the fields as multi-values and that depends on the particular key, you have to identify that and you have to segregate that, and such a thing is called fourth normal form. And here it also builds, fourth normal form also builds three normal forms, first normal form, second normal form and third normal form, and even it also looks into the BCNF, that is boys code normal form. Okay, let me see the example. So this might be the example. So the keys are student, major and hobby, and multi-valued are major and hobby. Okay, so these two fields multi-values depends the students. Okay, and you are segregating that Aman major, that is student and major, student and hobby. Okay, the Aman depends management, and Aman depends on football and has hobbies on football and cricket, and similarly Raj depends on football. Okay, and this Raj, one Raj depends to management and another Raj depends to medical. So both of them depends on football. You can see that. You can see that this multi-values. Okay, both of them depends on football. So simply you can reduce the data. Okay, but that is the storage of the particular data. So you can segregate major and hobby as multi-valued, and you can have the student as the key for both the table. Student, major, another one table, another table, student and hobby is another table. So you can have key as student name. So this is the fourth normal form. And fifth normal form, it is required for you to be in a fourth normal form, and you can further decompose the table for eliminating the redundancy and anomalies, insertion, deletion or even updation. And while making that you can also rejoin the table. Okay, for major segregation may lead to problems. So in such cases you can also rejoin the decomposed tables. Upon rejoining, it should not lose any data. Okay, while joining the table once again, you are decomposed into 4 or 5 tables. That leads to a problem of more searching. In that case, you are required to join or reduce 1 or 2 tables, and in that case situation it is required for you to join the tables. While joining, there should not be any loss in the data. Okay, so in that fifth normal form will work. You can see the table example, seller, company and product. So here multi-valued are seller and company. Okay, and you can segregate the table as seller, product. So these sellers are the sellers for these products. Okay, and seller So these products, okay, these sellers belongs to this company, and from this company they sells these products. That is the thing here, okay, multi-valued, okay. And further, so these companies belongs or produces these products. So this way you can segregate the thing into fifth normal form. Okay, very simply you can understand. This particular Amen sells thumbs up. Okay, and the Amen belongs to Coca-Cola company. Okay, and this thing also further that Coca-Cola company manufactures thumbs up, and Unilever manufactures Pond's, Axe, Lakme products. Okay, so you can have the thing repeated redundancy can be reduced. Okay, if a seller sells Pond's, Axe and Lakme, so for all the cases the company will be displayed as Unilever. So upon that you can segregate that, and you can reduce the memory spaces required by a long table. Okay, so with this your fifth normal form is over. So as per your curriculum, this topic is very important. Regularly they used to ask this question. So the question type can be asked as explain normalization, or explain how to decompose the table. Okay, or explain first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, or explain fifth normal form. So they can ask separately. So whatever the form, either they may not directly ask what is normalization, explain the normalization types. That is one type of form. Another question, how will you decompose the table? Okay, decompose means dividing the table. So how we will divide? By using the normalization techniques. Okay, so previous year they have asked indirectly how to decompose the table, explain. So many of the students may not know that decomposing means of normalization, and they left the question. Okay, that is the problem we had. Okay, so you look into the questions and accordingly you answer. All the best.